that it's a sad fate for a man to die, too well known by everyone, but still unknown. So the reason why you're here, yesterday and today, is very, very important. Because many people die without discovering who they are. Both yours also said that in other living creatures, the ignorance of themselves is nature, but in man, it's a fact. Which means that if you do not know who you are wicked, you are evil, and you will not add value to yourself or anybody within your environment. Tell your neighbor, you must discover who you are. You must therefore be yourself. They asked Socrates, one of the greatest philosophers of our time, what are the three most important things in life? Guess what Socrates said? 1, know thyself. 2, know thyself. 3, know thyself. So the person that asked him the question was confused. He said, why the same answer 3 times? And Socrates made a profound statement. If you do not know yourself, you cannot become yourself. And if you do not become yourself, you can never find fulfillment, satisfaction, and success. True success. Without fulfillment, satisfaction, true success, you can never find happiness. So to know yourself is to find fulfillment, is to find happiness, and is to find satisfaction. Now remember that I said to you that 85% of all success in life is dependent on how emotionally intelligent you are. So what is this thing that we call emotional intelligence? It's very important for us to understand that emotional intelligence is not the opposite of being smart. It is not the triumph of the heart over the head. It is the unique intersection of both of them. The one does not work with the other. Emotional intelligence is a way of recognizing, understanding, and choosing how we think, how we feel, and how we act. Emotional intelligence shapes our interactions with others. It shapes our understanding of ourselves. It defines how and what we learn. It allows us to set our priorities. It determines the majority of our daily action. Emotional intelligence is the ability to process emotional information, particularly as it involves how you perceive things, how you assimilate things, how you understand it, and manage your emotions. Now, research suggests that emotional intelligence is responsible for as much as 85% of success in life, which leaves just 15% to all our struggles. Let me give you a quick test. I want you to imagine that it's a very dark, stormy, foggy night. Dark, stormy, foggy night. And you are driving in your car. And at the bus stop, on a dark, foggy, stormy night, you see 3 people. 1, an old friend that once saved your life. 2, an old lady that is about to die. And 3, your dream partner. That is your dream future partner. Knowing that you can only give one person a ride, I want you to write down who you will give the ride. Huh? Your notepad. Who are you going to give a ride to? The friend that once saved your life, the old lady that is about to die for your dream future partner. Your friend is a loyal somebody. You go. The friend is not a loyal somebody. Hey, future partner! Yeah. The old lady, he has compassion. He has a good heart. No more. Future partner. Yes, it's yellow. You go. The friend, loyalty. Compassion. The friend, loyalty. The friend, loyalty. Compassion. Yes, your future partner. Yeah. You want to different. The future partner. Everybody want to marry, go. The future partner. Loyalty, the friend. You go. Your friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I say that your problem is you. You have to learn to think out of the box. You are all wrong. You are all. How about getting out of the car? Give your friend the car to take the old lady to the hospital. That leaves you with what? Oh. You have to learn to think out of the box. You have to learn to think out of. You have to learn to think out of the box. Touch your neighbor's head. You have to learn to think out of the box. Why is this important? It is important because they have proven it in different research. Some came back and said that in 4% of the time, IQ was responsible for success. Others came back and said in 10% of the research that they did is IQ and sense responsible for success. Some came back and said 25%. If you add it and do the average, it's about 15%. Now it's very, very important that we know it's not about sense.